Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Turtle Tootsie Polish Pink and Ejiubas EJB 06. I started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here's Turtle Tootsie's Pink. Now on the website it had the exclamation point like pink does it. But on the bottle it just spells out pink using letters, so we're just going to go with it. So I'm going to go in with my first coat of this squishy, beautiful pink polish with all this like hollow glitters in it. I'm loving this. I am a pink girl for sure. I love all the colors, but pink just sings to me. So I'm going to go in with the second coat here and get this one, you know, nice and opaque. 2 coats does it for me with these shorties. And I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so that we can do some playing. And I'm telling y'all gonna, I'm you know, working on getting used to the idea of not having Pro FX anymore. I'm working on it still. So here's a swatch photo of pink on its own. And here is Ejiubas EJB 06. And I'm going to be stamping with Braves Diva Shutout. I've got my Maniology scraper and my monocle stamper from Maniology out today. And this plate's really cool. It's got a lot of images. I wanted to just go crazy and use a bunch of them, but I picked 2 and I'm going to roll with them. I'm trying to line that circle up close to the center, but I don't nail it very good, but it still looks pretty, you know, pretty alright. I'm going to clean that stamper off on my lint roller. And then this plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. And we're going to do the same image on a couple of more nails. I've got something different going on the ring fingernail today. See, I can't line that up with my hand laying flat. I have to pick it up and turn it around backwards towards me. Craziness. So I'm going to do this one more time for my pinky nail. And then we'll head on to my accent nail. I did what I'm going to do on my accent nail. I also did that on my thumb, so they'll match. And here we go. I'm going to turn this plate around, or try to. I'm being all careful because, you know, I got wet nails and stuff. But I like this one with the big hole in the center, the star-looking image. Of course, with my nails being so short, I don't get very much of this on there, but that's okay. I'm enjoying having short nails. I'm not having to worry about them, you know, getting hurt. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess stamping polish off of my skin. There we go. It's coming up really well. I think I remembered the Burt's Bees this time. And now I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and do a little tidying up here like I normally do. Making sure that brush is good and saturated. But I always dab it out on my paper towel. Here we go. Going to get that little bitty bit left. There's not much left. And now that that is done, I am going to just hop on in with the Moonshine Manis Let's Go Top Coat. I got distracted and I had to step away from this mani for a minute, so I knew that that polish was really dry. So I just went ahead and went in with the, you know, my regular top coat. And hi Woody, how you doing? He's getting in there taking care of business. All up under the nail too. So here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.